Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how you can accumulate lots of watch hours just from a single live stream. You can get more than 1000 watch hours from one live stream. You can get up to that 4000 watch hours that you're looking for from a single live stream. It sounds crazy, right? Just calm down. Just calm down. I'm going to give you the real gist. All right. So, you all know that to get monetized, the requirement for monetization for YouTube is 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, right? And I've closed off that 1000 subscribers long ago. I posted a video about it, and this my channel is 3 months old right now. All right. So, and after I got my 1000 subscribers, the next challenge was the 4000 watch hours. Like, for new YouTubers, you already know, how it is. Like, you be doing a lot of posting videos. They'll tell you post consistently, use the right title, use a catchy thumbnail. I mean, I'm doing all that. Description, and make sure your description is very detailed and da 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 da. Like, a lot of tips I've been getting from YouTube. I'm sure you too, you're experiencing the same. All right. So I got tired of the whole. Okay, I'm like, okay, fine. I understand. I need to use a very good title and thumbnail, and make my videos more engaging and also give value, right? Because basically, I try to give value in all my videos. So, but still, why is this watch hour thing not adding up? Like, why is it not? It's not really giving me what I want to. It's not really. And then I watched a couple of videos too. They said that was when they talked about. I heard someone talk about the website Restream.io. They said in order to accumulate those watch hours faster, you need to live stream. Like, just go live. Like, any other thing you're saying is good, it's relevant, it's working, but if you want to accumulate those watch hours fast, go live. I don't know if someone is hearing me. People at the back, can you hear me? Go live. Unless that's not like your goal, you're just doing this, you're okay with staying for like at least 1 year or 2 years before you get these things. All right. But if not, if that's like your main goal, go live. All right. You get to even connect with more people and build more audience when you are always live. And then I still watch the video because most of the things I do, I get tips from YouTube. All right. So you try and look at other people's channel, know what is working for them, and know how to tweak it to fit your own channel. All right, don't worry, I'm just going to give it a gist. No need to just talk too much. All right, so first things first, apart from the whole thing that we already used to, Restream, just go and create an account on Restream.io. All right, I don't want to mess up the name. Restream.io. That's what I've been using to go live. It's a live streaming platform that allows you to, do your go live in any platform like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and all the rest. All right. So I use it basically for YouTube. I've been using it for YouTube so far, and I have seen a significant change. Like, last time I posted a video about 4000 watch hours, I had almost 3000. Let's just say I had 3000 watch hours as at then, and I'm trying to close it off. I was trying to close it off, like complete the 4000 watch hours. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, let me just give it to just how it all started is because I've been using Restream. If you're like me, you've heard it thousands of times and you've tried to do something. You've tried to go live with Restream with everything they're saying. Just go to pixels.com, download a video and just post it on restream.io. It's going to get you lots of viewers. I'm sure you're doing that same thing. All right, all right. I did the same thing and I was getting 16 views, 20 views, 30 views, just that range. And I'm like, someone told me that I will be able to cover my 1000 watch hours or 4,000 watch hours with this Restream. Is this how we are going to do it? Because after the whole live stream, I'll be seeing five watch hours or 10 watch hours, or even sometimes 4, sometimes 1. I say, how are we going to do this? Is it this pace? I mean, this not, maybe I'm not doing something right, right? I tried doing it a couple of times and it still did not work. I'm like, no, I have to pause. I stopped actually. I just kept posting videos and I did not really do go live anymore. Till one certain time, I was just thinking, like, really, there must be something I'm not doing right. So I tried to go and check out other people's live stream. I just joined other people's live stream to see. I saw Restream. You know, Restream, especially if you're using the free version, it will write that their logo like Restream there. So I saw a couple of videos like that, live streams like that. I'm like, okay, I saw what they were doing differently. They were using interesting videos that you would love to see. Because most of the video, they will tell you do silent. I heard someone talking about do silent live stream. I even tried it once. I'm like, no, this is not for me. I know that personally, I'm not going to see that kind of live stream and want to watch it. What am I watching there? Nothing is going on. So unless it's for someone that's already built an audience, then you can do the silent live stream and maybe you people will be conversing on the comment section. But I don't really think that that is really working for me. So I saw that they were using engaging videos. So what I did was go and look for really interesting videos. I saw some interesting videos on Pixels. I also saw some on TikTok, like just got different videos. But what the most important thing is the editing part. All right. So when you get these videos, you edit them and remove the sounds from this video, because YouTube have these issues with copyrighted sounds and all that. You don't want all those issues. So just remove the sounds completely and maybe use uh all these sound effects. Use sound effects, not don't use people's music background or something like that. Don't use them. You can use sound effects, those funny sound effects that are actually free, or you can get sounds from YouTube and use in the video. All right. So that was just what I did. I got some action animal videos and all that. Like, you can check out some of my live stream and you will see the kind of videos I use. So that was basically what I did, and I saw significant change. For that's number one tip, right? Use interesting videos. Number two is number two is engage with your audience even while you're live, right? You have to talk, like chat with them, make them feel like they are welcome here. They can drop your opinions. You can talk about what that live stream is actually about. Like, I have a couple of people right now when I'm live, like, they always, I already told them that we just do this every evening, so just join us, right? So whenever I'm live, they come and just join the live stream, and we just start conversing. And because they know that that space already is somewhere you can just see, it's just a relaxing. I made it very therapeutic and relaxing for them, so they could just see stuff and we just laugh, or maybe welcome other people, just talk about random stuff. Just people want to feel like a connection. They don't just want to watch, even though they know that it's a repeated, like it's a loop. They still are enjoying themselves watching those live streams. So just last night, that was the first time I'm getting more than 800 people watching the live at the same time. More than was already getting to 1,000. Like, oh my, it blew my mind. And I'm thinking, oh my God, finally it's happening. And at the end of the day, I saw the watch hour. I had more than 1.1K watch time. I had completed the whole the requirement, and I was shouting. I'm like, oh my God, I didn't know I could do this good. I said I have to do this video. I have to tell you guys. All right, guys, so that's it. I was so excited to make this video for you guys so that you can know. So what are the key takeaways from this video? Use interesting videos for your live stream. Just get interesting clips and edit them. Remove any copyrighted sound, all right? Because you don't want any issues. and also engage with your audience, make them feel at home, make them want to come back to your live stream the next day. All right. So these are the few things, and give it time. All right. When I started, I wasn't getting 100 views at first. So give it time. With time, just keep showing up. You see significant change. I'm telling you, you see. All right. So as long as you're using interesting videos, they will definitely come back. All right. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.